Hello, I'm Steve Montoya. I've been practicing law for more than 30 years now, and though most of us didn't notice, one of the biggest changes in the law took place in the year 2000, when Colorado voters passed a constitutional amendment protecting the rights of patients who use medical marijuana in the treatment of certain illnesses as recommended by their doctors. Recently, there's been a flurry of administrative and regulatory, as well as civil and criminal proceedings involving the use of medical marijuana. Some of the dispensaries of medical marijuana that I have seen cause me to ponder and to question the wisdom of the voters when they amended the Constitution on this issue. On the other hand, I am familiar with certain businesses which serve as professional caregivers and dispensaries of medical marijuana. Some mission statements of these professionals are impressive. Some are dedicated to providing the very best of medical care available in the form of medical marijuana in concert with medical doctors who prescribe this alternative care for treatment and pain relief. They are customized to the individual needs of patients in an effective treatment suited for the particular patient with supportive care in the form of chiropractic and acupuncture and professional massage and other therapies. Applicable laws, both state and local, are strictly adhered to, such that each patient has an updated physician certification and physician statement on file upon the premises, and patients are encouraged to engage in the safe use of medical marijuana in a socially responsible manner, as the laws which govern the possession and use of marijuana are somewhat vague and subject to interpretation. Now, some conflict between regulatory agencies, law enforcement officials, and medical marijuana users are inevitable. Don't use medical marijuana in front of or around children. Keep possession of your medical marijuana card private and in a safe place within your home. Your registry is private information. Do not leave the state of Colorado with medical marijuana, whether driving or flying or otherwise. It is a felony. Dealing with police may prove stressful if the occasion presents itself. You should remain calm and remember to be respectful, but assert your rights. Do not consent to a search, and make sure that the law enforcement official in question knows that you do not consent to a search. Ask if you are being detained, and if you are not, then turn and walk away. If you are being detained, inquire as to why, and make the police officer cite the law under which you are being detained. And if you are arrested, tell the police officer, I choose to remain silent, and I want to see a lawyer. If you have any questions regarding your rights and responsibilities as a citizen of the state of Colorado, where the possession, use, or cultivation of medical marijuana is concerned, call me or visit my website at the number and site listed at the bottom of this screen. Free consultation is available to anyone that contacts me.